In this video, we will show you how to open a TronLink wallet on desktop and mobile devices. Part 1. TronLink on browser. Before opening a TronLink wallet, you need to download the plugin extension and enable it on your preferred browser. For this video, we are going to be using Chrome as our browser. Go to www.tronlink.org and click on Download Now to begin. Now select the Extensions tab and click on Chrome Web Store. On the Chrome Web Store page, click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension to have it installed on your browser. Next, click on Extensions in the upper right corner of your browser and then click on TronLink. With the extension now open, click on Create Wallet. Click on I agree, no more reminders, after you've read and understood the user agreement. On the Create Wallet screen, first type in a name for your wallet and then choose a password. Passwords for TronLink wallets cannot be recovered, therefore ensure that you save this password somewhere secure and accessible only to you. Once you retype your preferred password, click on Create Wallet. Your TronLink wallet has been created. Click on Backup Wallet to set up a mnemonic phrase to help you recover your wallet in case you forget or lose your password. You will be asked to type in your password. Click on Confirm once you have done so. Write down your mnemonic phrase and store it. Click on Backup to get your phrase. Click on View Mnemonic Phrase and note the words down in the order they appear. When you've secured your mnemonic phrase, click on Already Backed Up. You will be asked to verify your phrase. Select the word that corresponds to the number shown and click on Done once finished. Congratulations, your TronLink wallet is now ready to use.